Hello, my name is Jeanette Stein, and I'm so excited to introduce the Algebra 1 Teachers Members Area to you that will be coming and be finished by August 1st, 2015. This Members Area will include assessments, organization, performance tasks, additional resources, a members-only forum, and online courses and webinars to help you succeed in your Common Core math class. The assessments package will include those pre and post tests that are so necessary with our new evaluations to show growth, the final exams and end of course exams, unit tests, and weekly assessments. Of course, everything comes with an answer key, and multiple versions will be added as we keep moving along. The organization section is created for you to simplify your life. So this would be your student learning outcomes, your curriculum maps, and anything else that is going to help you in your classroom right down to a syllabus template so that you have everything ready to turn into your district when you start the year. I love creating performance tasks, and the performance tasks that will be included are for every unit, and there's at least one or two in every unit, and more are being added every day. And we have this is obviously standard aligned with the Common Core, and we use this with and without technology. I know that there are some buildings that use my curriculum quite a bit, and they have technology for every student, and then there's others that are just getting started. But if these might be the kind of activities that if you only have a lab, that kind of thing, you could go down and do as well, and they have been differentiated to assist you with that. The resources is probably the biggest area of all. It has those practice, homework sheets, in-class activities, presentations created with PowerPoint and notebook, and additional technology activities that are ready to print off, use in your classroom. And this has really been enabled to help those of you who are still using a textbook but trying to bridge to the Common Core. Those areas, things like statistics, standard deviation, some of the higher level Algebra 1 contents for Common Core that were not traditionally in an Algebra 1 course are more heavily represented here to help you out. What makes this membership area very unique is there's a members-only forum. This is a place where you can be very honest. It's protected, password protected, so that you know where you're sharing it. It's not going to be out there for parents or students to see, where you can get feedback, create an online community. We can share resources, tips, things that are working, and sometimes just how to deal with that one student that you don't seem to be able to reach, bringing all of our brains together to help every student succeed. The online training courses are very valuable to help you be successful in your classroom. With anytime, anywhere online training courses available, those will be created bi-monthly. We will also have monthly webinars starting in August, and those are created around the questions that you are asking and the needs you're having at that time. Of course, there's a certificate of completion for anything that you finish that will be able to download and give evidence to your school district that you have completed those training hours. Please keep in mind that training hours are determined by state and district as to whether or not they will count as those continuing ed hours, so be sure to check ahead of time. Now let's take a tour of the members-only area so you can see exactly what it will look like. When you become a member for the first time, you'll be directed to the members-only area. You'll notice the convenient menu on the left-hand side, which will organize your resources not only by topic, but also by unit. You will also have a list of all of the newest resources that have been added. You are able to go in and look at things by unit as well as by topic area. So when I go in by unit, I'm going to get those for the weekly assessments as well as resources here. And you'll see there are two here at the top. If we go into the equivalent equations notebook file, what this is a presentation to help students better understand equations and how to solve them and what they're actually doing. And so this is a notebook file. Anytime it's a different type of file, that will always be listed with the description. Of course, it's aligned to the Common Core State Standards and your student learning outcomes. You'll have materials and resources listed there and a suggested closure activity. This equivalent equations practice page mentioned here will be linked shortly once we get that one loaded as well. We are loading these resources as quickly as possible. When you go down to the bottom underneath the description, you will always see the download, and then what kind of file it is will be in parentheses behind it, so that you can make sure. If it's possible to give you more than one type of file, we will always do that as well. We will also have a members-only forum area created just for you. In this forum area, we will be able to ask questions, share resources, and build community around what you need and what you need to be successful. So I'm very excited for you to join us now at the Algebra 1 Teachers Members area. You will get instant access, but please understand that we are still uploading many, many more materials, resources, and that it should be complete, or will be complete, I'm so excited about that, on August 1st, 2015. Looking forward to seeing you in the members area. Have a great day.